The largest independent city in the United States, Baltimore, in the state of Maryland, after a decline in major manufacturing, heavy industry, and restructuring of the rail industry, has shifted to a service-oriented economy. Today, the city counts Johns Hopkins University. Today, the city counts Johns Hopkins Hospital and Johns Hopkins University as its top two employers. Other large companies in Baltimore include the likes of Under Armour, the National Federation of the Blind, Catholic Relief Services, and the Social Security Administration have headquarters here as well. Around the turn of the 20th century, Baltimore was the leading U.S. manufacturer of rye whiskey and straw hats. But by mid-2013, almost a quarter of the jobs in the Baltimore region were in science, technology, engineering, and math. That same year, Forbes ranked Baltimore fourth among America's new tech hotspots. Still, a quarter of Baltimore's residents and 37% of Baltimore's children lived in poverty as of March 2018, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. They live surrounded by over 65,000 buildings designated as historic in the National Register, nearly one-third of the total city's buildings, which is more than any other U.S. city. Wait, I thought this video was about Baltimore's fastest growing companies. Sure, here you go. And Baltimore's top 4 companies on the most recent Inc. 5000 are PositivePsyche.biz Corp, Clear Ridge Defense, 412 Roofing, Hunter Killer at number 6 with a whopping 20,485% growth. And a bonus for those of you patient enough to watch this video up till here. Audacious Inquiry at 4,931 is Baltimore's lowest performer in the 2020 Inc. 5000 with 57% growth. That's still more than any of my failing startups. Well, almost.